Hi everyone, it's Lisa Brown with Ink and Inspirations, and in this video I'm going to give you some tips on applying an overlay on your cards. This piece was stamped with the Forever Fern stamp set, and I have the coordinating overlay that measures 3 1/4 by 4 3/4, and I cut that Whisper White piece the same size. So now I have a base Pretty Peacock 5 1/2 by 8 1/2 and some other layers. Another Pretty Peacock layer here at, let's see, that's 3 1/2 by 5 over a soft seafoam layer that is 3 3/4 by 5 1/4. And I'm going to glue it to the front of the card base, and I'm going to put it more to the right side of the card so I can leave a space to tie some ribbon around the fold. Next, I'm going to attach that Whisper White stamped layer over top. And then I've taken another piece of Pretty Peacock, 3/4 by 3 1/4, and I stamped and embossed the sentiment and some leaves, and I'm going to strategically place it where it doesn't cover up that beautiful stem there, but yet this adhesive is going to hold on that beautiful gold overlay without it showing. So next, to secure it a little more, I'm using just a smidgen of glue in each of the 4 corners, and that's going to help keep that overlay down when you prepare it for mailing it off to someone. So just a little bit of glue in each corner, and we're going to be ready to go. So now let's take some ribbon, and again I'm going to put it around that fold where that space is and just simply tie a knot. Trim it with my paper snips and tie an easy knot and trim off those edges, cut at an angle so it has a neat finished look. So now I have the inside of the card, and this I stamped another leafy stem on that in Pretty Peacock, and I'm going to put that on the inside 4 by 5 1/4 Whisper White. And then I have an envelope that I stamped on the front and the back, and this will be ready to mail. Thank you so much for joining me. If you have questions, let me know. Visit my website at inkandinspirations.com, and I will see you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.